Hello guys. Every time I record a video, the recording itself usually takes around 30 minutes, but the editing takes much longer. Sometimes I spend more than 1 hour removing silences, cutting filler words, deleting repeated takes, and trying to make the final video feel clean. So I built a tool to solve this problem for myself. It is called Tribe Video Cleaner. Instead of editing only on a timeline, you edit the video through the transcript. You open your video, the app transcribes it, then it highlights the parts that usually slow a video down. Filler words, long pauses, repeated takes, and sections that may need to be removed. After that, you can review the suggestion, decide what you want to keep, decide what you want to cut, and apply the cleanup directly on your computer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what I was able to build, how the tools analyze a recording, how transcript-based editing works, and how quickly it can turn a messy recording into a cleaner final version. I created this first because I need it for myself, but I'm also going to share it with you for free, because I think it can help a lot of creators save time and publish more consistently. If you find this useful, and if you want me to continue building tools like this, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. And if the project helps you, starting it on GitHub would also mean a lot. Now let me show you the Tribe Video Cleaner in action. Let's start with the clean version. What you have here is to drag a video on the editor. Then you will click on transcribe. As you can see, I have two transcription services here. One is ElevenLabs and another one is OpenAI Whisperer. And for AI analysis, I'm using OpenAI GPT and Anthropic. You can use the settings here. You can add the ElevenLabs API key here. It will be stored directly on your computer. And here you will have the OpenAI API key. Here you have also different settings. You can add your own filler words. You can modify the silence detection and also the double take detection. Here you can use the output quality. You can choose between version from here, and you have also the subtitle settings. You can change the position, the font size, the color. If you want to export the Serete file only, and so on. If I see that this project will get a lot of attention, I will add also different ideas I have. Now let's get back to show you how it works. After the video is loaded, I will click on transcribe. Because the video is only 46 seconds, it will take a few seconds to analyze. But if the video is longer, maybe 30 minutes, it will take around 1 minute to 2 minutes until you will see everything like here. As you can see, the soft already applied some things here. The words, filler words, are already striked out. As you can see also the silence. This video was made intentionally bad because I want to show you how it works. Let me show you how it is first. Okay. Quick one before you go. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I drop new tools and automations every week, so you don't want to miss it. And join the Automation Tribe School. Inside, we'll find exclusive automations and tools. Okay, I will pause this here. You can also click on each word, and you can choose remove this. Now, I will select this word and I will play. Useful. Hit subscribe. You saw that the word there. You saw that the word there is not available anymore. Here you have also some cleanup summary. You can cut all the filler words. You can choose the double take. I have 0. You see also how many silences you have. Now these are working, but let me show you. If I will cut all, you'll see that all are strike out. Let me play a little.
Hey, quick one before you go.
You saw that the silence from 1 second is already gone. You can also remove everything you want. You can go to the sentence. If you have double takes, it will be visible here. You can reset everything you can do manually, but it will be very easy for you to edit videos from now on. To export the video, it is quite easy. You can click here on best. If you want to burn subtitles into video, please select this button here. And now let me click on render. Sometimes it gives an error. Please try to push again. It will take a few minutes until it is ready. We will wait a few more seconds because the video is small. As you can see, I have 46 minutes here. Let me show you after that how much space it was. Let me show you. So this is the original one, 46 minutes, and the next clean version is this one, 24 seconds.
Hey, quick one before you go. If you found this useful, hit subscribe. I drop new tools and automation.
As you can see, the captions are here. You can play with the settings, with the colors, with the font size, everything you want. I really hope you like this project. If you like it, you will find in the description. Also, I recommend you to join the Automation Tribe School community. Here I am posting a lot more tools like this. If you go to the classroom, you will see a lot of blueprints, prompts, APIs, prompts for AI agents, and so on. Also, I have a free community. So this project, it is available on this link. It will be free for everyone, and it is quite easy to install it. Let me show you. If you use Cloud Code, you have here all the steps you need. Then the application will open on the localhost 4000, as you can see here. If you have questions, please leave them in the comments. Also, do not forget, please give a star here. It will help me. If I will see that I will get enough stars, I will continue to develop, and I will bring also more features to this software. Thank you very much.